Hello everyone, this is you Ashwini, addressing from myself English Medium School, deal with subject English of class 2. So children, today we are learn about the topic is textual grammar of in the park. What is our topic, mom? In the park of textual grammar. Okay. Now all of you ready for this? Yes. A Roman, tick the correct answers. Okay. First one, Poppy and Tinku went to the park with dash. Okay, Poppy and Tinku went to the park with A. Papa, B. Granny, and C. Mummy. Okay, how many members went to the park? Yes, 3 members. Who are that? Poppy, Tinku, and another word? Who was that? Mummy. Yes. Okay, Poppy and Tinku went to the park with Mummy. So first one is C. Okay, Nana? Second one. The first, they means Poppy, Tinku and Mummy first went to the A. Tank, B. Pond, C. School. Where are they first went to the go? Yes, they went to the pond. So, second one is B. Okay. Now, third one. The ducks came to them for the A. Breadcrumbs, B. Bowl, C. Juice. So, Poppy and Tinku is first of all went to the pond and they were carrying the breadcrumbs to the ducks. Okay, they were carrying the breadcrumbs to the ducks. So the ducks came to them for the breadcrumbs. So third one is A. Fourth one, Tinku and Mary took turns to sit on the dash. Tinku and Mary were friends. So they were turns sit on the dash. A. Train, B. Seesaw, C. Bus. What is that answer, mom? Seesaw. They wanted to sit on the seesaw. Who are that? Tinku and Mary. So first one is C, second one is B, third one A, and fourth one B. Okay. Now B Roman. Who said these words? Write the names. Okay. In this B Roman, we have some sentences are there. So in this sentence, who said these words? You have to write these names. Okay. First one. Don't stand too close the swings, Poppy. Okay. Who said these words? Poppy. Don't stand too close the swings. Who said these words? Yes. What is the answer, ma? Mummy. Okay. Mummy said, don't stand too close the swings. Okay. So first one answer is Mummy. 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 Okay. Second one. The seesaw will not work. The seesaw will not work. Who said these words? Yes. Actually, Tinku and Mary wanted to sit on the seesaw. But the seesaw will not work. Who said these words? Poppy. But Poppy said that the seesaw will not work to Tinku and Mary. So, who said these words? Poppy. 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 The second answer is Poppy. Third one. Let's play with the ball now. So, who said these words? Tinku. Okay, Tinku said, let's play with the ball now. Actually, already the seesaw will not work. So, we have to go to the play with the ball now. So, Tinku said, the play with the ball now. Okay, so third one answer is Tinku. Okay, first one, Mummy. Second one, Poppy. And third one, Tinku. Okay. D Roman. Rearrange the letters of the given words to make new words. Okay. Here we have some words are there. That is the jumbling letters. So you have to rearrange these letters. Okay, all of you. So first one is HIPS. Okay, HIPS, that is the meaning of word. There is no meaning. So you have to rearrange the letters. Okay. You have to rearrange the letters and we have some word. So HIPS, how can you rearrange? Yes. SHIP, sheep. Okay. HIPS means SHIP. Okay. That means sheep. Second one, EAT. Okay. How can we have to rearrange these letters? Yes. We have rearrange these letters. How can? TEAT. EAT. You have to write TEA. Okay. Second one is TEAT. Third one, SHORE, shore. Okay, how can you rearrange these letters? Yes, H-O-R-S-E, horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Okay. Fourth one, S-N-O-O-P. S-N-O-O-P. How can you rearrange these letters? Yes, that is S-P-O-O-N, spoon. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. Okay, first one is ship, second one is tea, third one horse, and fourth one spoon. Now, E Roman. Circle the words that are the opposites of the words in capital letters. Okay. Circle the words. You have to opposite words. Okay. As the first one, full. These are in capital letters only. Okay. F-U-L-L, full. Okay. What is the opposite word of full? See all of you. A, high. B, round. C, empty. What is it, ma? Full opposite, empty. So, first one answer is C. Full opposite is empty. Okay. Now second one, clean. Okay, what is the opposite of clean? A, dirty. B, tall. C, loud. Okay, what is the opposite of clean? Clean opposite is dirty. Okay. So second one is A. Third one, sit. Sit opposite. A, talk. B, stand. C, cry. Sit opposite, stand. So the opposite of sit is stand. So third one is B. Now fourth one, catch. Catch opposite is A, walk. B, run. C, drop. Okay, what is the opposite of catch, mom? Drop. Okay, so fourth one is C. Okay, so first one, see all of you, full opposite empty, clean opposite dirty, sit opposite stand, and catch opposite drop. F Roman, fill in the missing letters to complete the words. Here we have some pictures are there, so you have to guess the pictures and write the missing letters. Okay, see all of you, first one, what is this picture? See, there is some midi. Okay, some wear of midi. Okay, so what is its missing letters? D, R, dash, S, S. So this one is dress. This one is dress. So D, R, E, S, S, dress. Okay, second one, so what is this picture, ma? This one is drawer. So what is the spelling of drawer? D, R, A, W, E, R, drawer. Okay, now third one. So in this picture, what are they doing? They draw some animal. What is it, animal? Elephant. So they draw some animal of elephant. So third one, D-R-A-W, draw. Okay. Now fourth one. What is she doing? She is drinking some water or milk, whatever it may be. So she is drinking. Okay. So drink spelling, ma? D-R-I-N-K, drink. D-R-I-N-K, drink. Okay. First one is dress. Second one, drawer. Third one, draw. And fourth one, drink. G Roman, work with your partner. Write A or an with the words. Here, see children, in coming to the next page, we have some blanks are there. So you have to write only for A or an. In this picture, you have to use this picture, all of you. Okay, first of all, look at this picture. See all of you, here, mother and children. Okay, how many children are there? 2 children are there. So this is a girl and boy, and this one is umbrella, and this one is, in this picture, umbrella, boy, girl, mother, and kite, and aeroplane, and ball, apples. Some ants are there, see all of you? Yes. Okay, ants, squirrel, some birds, and nest. Okay, some owl is there also, some ice cream. See all of you, a boy is eating some ice cream. Okay, here all of you? Yes. And then you have to fill the blanks A or an. Okay, you have to use this picture and write the A or an. Okay, are you ready for this? Yes. First one, dash, apple. So what is the letter of apple? First letter is A. So do you know the vowels, children? Yes, vowels means how many vowels are there in alphabet? 5 vowels are there. So what are that? A, E, I, O, U. When the vowels are coming to the first letter, you have to write an. Already you know, children. Yes? Yes. A, E, I, O is coming to the first letter, so you have to write an. Remaining letters in this word, first letter is coming, you have to write A. Okay? So, first one is dash apple. In the apple, what is the first letter? A. So, an apple. A is the vowel, you know. So, an apple. Second one, dash basket. In the basket, what is the first letter? B. B is the consonant, not is the vowel. So, a basket. Third one, dash ball. So, a ball. Fourth one, dash ant. And in the and, what is the first letter, mom? A. So you have to write an and. Fifth one, dash kite. So K is the consonant, so a kite. Sixth one, dash tree. Tree. In this tree, what is the first letter? T. So you have to write a tree. Seventh one, dash ice cream. In the ice cream, what is the first letter? I. Its ice cream is very enjoying, you know. Yes, ice cream in the first letter is I. So, an ice cream. Eighth one, dash owl. Owl. In the owl, what is the first letter, ma? O. So, an owl. Ninth one, dash umbrella. An umbrella. So, in the first letter is U. Okay, an umbrella. Okay, children. So, first one is an apple, a basket, a ball, an ant, a kite, a tree, an ice cream, an owl, an umbrella. H Roman, fill in the blanks with a or an. Fill in the blanks with a or an. Same as like above is the G Roman also. Okay. Same as you have to write the G Roman, you have to write also this like only. Okay. See all of you here also you have to write only for a or an. See, first one is in this dash aeroplane or a dash bird. Is this dash aeroplane or dash bird? Okay. అది aeroplane a bird అని అడుగుతున్నారు అన్నమాట. Okay. Aeroplane, what is the first letter? A. So an aeroplane, bird, B. B is the consonant. So you have to write A. Is this an aeroplane or a bird? Yes. Okay. Now second one. Is this dash bus or dash train? Okay. Is a bus? ఓకే డాష్ ముందు ఓకే ఎప్పుడైతే బ్లాంక్ ఉందో బ్లాంక్ తర్వాత ఏముందో చూసి దాన్ని బట్టి మీరు బ్లాంక్లో రాయాలి. ఈజ్ దిస్ ఏ ఆర్ యాన్? ఓకే. సో బస్, ఇన్ దిస్ బస్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ లెటర్? మా బి. బి ఈజ్ అ కాన్సనెంట్. సో బస్ ఈజ్ ఏ బస్. ఓకే. ట్రైన్, ఏ ట్రైన్. సో ఈజ్ దిస్ ఏ బస్ ఆర్ ఏ ట్రైన్? ఓకే. థర్డ్ వన్, ఈజ్ దిస్ డాష్ ఎగ్ ఆర్ dash ball? Is this egg or a ball? Okay. So egg. Egg is the first letter is E. So an egg, a ball. An egg, a ball. Okay. Fourth one. Is this dash orange or dash mango? Is this orange or mango? Yes, orange. In this orange first letter is O. O. So is this an orange or a mango? Okay children. See all of you. First one, an aeroplane, a bird. Second one, a bus, a train. Third one, an egg, a ball. Fourth one, an orange, a mango. Okay children, did you understand all of these vowels or consonants? Yes? Okay Roman, look at the picture. Complete the sentences with words from the box. First of all children, you have to look at this picture. In this picture, what is this going? Yes, here is a birthday. Okay, here a girl's birthday is there. So how many members are there in this picture? Totally 9 members. See all of you. It's just children are 7 members and one cameraman and another a boy. Okay. Is it taking some glass of water or juice? Okay. So here only for we have some 9 members are there. But how many children? 7 members. Okay. How many members, mom? 7 children are there. So okay. They are some having they're wearing some hats also. Okay. Okay, he's here a big cake. Okay, it's looking so good, you know. It's yummy, it's big cake, you know children. Yes, and some biscuits are there. Okay, some gifts also is there. Okay, so children, you have to complete these blanks. You have to use from this box. Okay, in this box what were there? Wearing, hats, birthday, big cake, 7 children, 6 years old. Okay, you have to use this box and complete the sentences. Okay, all of you. First one, today is Mary's. Okay, who is Mary? She is a birthday girl. Okay, today is Mary's birthday. Okay, all of you. Yes, today is Mary's birthday. So you have to write the first blank is birthday. Okay, now second one. Mary is now, okay, Mary is now 6 years old. Mary is now 6 years old. Okay, how many years Mary, mom? 6 years old. And you have also 6 years, you know? Yes, you have also 6 years old. And Mary also 6 years old now. Okay, in the second blank you have to write 6 years old. And third one, mummy and papa have got her a, ఏం తీసుకొచ్చారు మమ్మీ అండ్ పాపా? is got her a big cake. Okay, it's a very big cake, you know, children. Yes, it is very big cake. So mummy and papa have got her a big cake. Okay, in this third blank you have to write big cake. Fourth one, there are dash around the table. In this around the table, how many children are there? 7 children. There are 7 children around the table. Okay, so fourth one, 7 children. Okay, love you. Now fifth one, some children are dash party dash. Some children are wearing party hats. So all of you see, children, look at this picture. Some children are wearing some hats. Only some children, all children are not. Only some children wearing party hats. Okay, and this grammar part, all of you, is this clear or not? Yes. Okay,